Hi, Kathleen Audette here, and I want to show you today how to find a piece of clothing that has the kind of fibers you want in it. So cotton, linen, wool, even rayon. So let's just take a look real quickly inside of ThredUp. Let's start with women and let's look at, just for an example, let's click on tops. Okay. And the filters that I'm going to apply today are tops and then style. I'm going to narrow down to just blouses and turtlenecks. Okay. I'm going to look at the condition. I only like generally to look at original tags and excellent for the condition. And let's just pick a couple colors that we like. So maybe green and red, ivory. Let's just take 3 for now. And then on the neckline, let's just stick in here all of them. Let's just keep all of them. We'll go to sleeve length and we'll click on long sleeve. And then here is the area that I want you to pay the most attention to, which is materials. So what I like to click on is natural, cashmere, cotton, linen, silk, and wool. And then I leave the blends alone until afterwards, after I see what's available. So we've gone from 50,000 garments down to only 45, which is a pretty easy thing to be looking at, right? Here we go. Any of these that we click on should be 100% linen, silk, wool, cotton. And let's just pick one. Let's just pick a cute one. Take this cabbie sweater. Okay, sure enough, 100% cotton. Pick another one. Let's see. How about this one? There we go, 100% linen. So searching for what we want based on the fibers is pretty easy in ThredUp. They really do delineate. Now, the harder part is if we go to the blends. And let's just say we decide that we can handle a cotton blend. We just need to decide how much we can handle. If we click on cotton blend, you're going to see that the results go from 45 to 209, which is not terrible to sift through, especially if you go in and you put in your parameters for your size and price. You will automatically have that number reduced. So if we pick the very first thing here, you'll see that the pullover sweater is 60 cotton and 40 acrylic. So that's okay, 60-40. Acrylic is one of those fibers that tends to make the sweater pill. It's also a man-made fiber. It holds moisture in. It doesn't really create a very good microclimate, which is the climate between your skin and the fabric. So you would have to decide if that piece, if this is beautiful enough for you, and if you're willing to do 60-40. Okay? Let's pick another one. Let's look at, say, this one. This long sleeve blouse is 100% cotton, so it stayed in the mix. How about, let's look at an Everlane. 100% cotton. Terrific. Let's see what else we can find. Here's a turtleneck sweater. For 53% cotton, 35 acrylic, and 12 poly. So just about a 50-50 split. If it hasn't been worn, like it says it hasn't, practically new, it's going to feel great until you wash it a few times and then it will pill. That is the challenge with any sort of acrylic or nylon in a knit. That's the challenge. So you have to be willing to put up with something that probably won't look that good for that long, or invest in a knit pilling tool, which I can link to below this video. So let's just look at a couple more. Let's look at J. Crew. Let's look at this sweater. Here we go. It has 60 cotton, 10% wool, and only 30% nylon. So you have a 70-30 split here in natural fibers. This is probably, if you haven't bought all natural fibers before, this may be a good place to start to get the feel of really natural fibers up against your skin, which once you understand the difference between how something feels against your skin, once you start to notice that, you will begin to realize that you want to take a piece of clothing off at the end of the day because it's bothering your skin. Previously, you might not have known that that's what it was that was bothering you. But once you have a mindset of what goes up against my skin matters and what goes up against my skin has an effect on my body, little by little, we start to change and realize, oh, maybe I really do want these natural fibers up against my skin. So one of the best places to shop is ThredUp. It is all pretty much used clothing with the exception of the new with tags. And in the excellent category, most of the time it's going to say, looks like it was never worn, shows no obvious signs of being worn. And that's a great thing. So happy shopping. If you have any questions, please, please, please let me know.